Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to draw a simple, cute cactus. We're going to start with the body first. It's just going to be a very big cactus. So go around all the way, like so. And this is going to be the start of our cactus. And then we just need a little pot to plant the cactus. So we're going to draw the line on the bottom. We're going to draw lines on either side of the pot. And then connect the bottom. With your pot done, the top of the pot done, we're going to draw the sides of the pot. Just going to be 2 lines. Very simple, and then we're going to draw a line on the bottom to complete the pot. Let's detail the pot with like some marks. And let's continue on to the cactus. The cactus, we're going to give him 2 little cute eyes. Like so. And we're going to add in 2 highlights. And then color in the black area to complete the eye. Once your eyes are done, we just need the little mouth. It's just going to be a simple jelly bean shape. And then let's draw in the details of the cactus. We're just going to do these simple thin lines to divide up the cactus. And let's make it really cute by adding a little arm, like so, and another arm going down. With these in, we're just going to add the same little lines to split up the cactus. And let's give him a little flower right here. Just give it a few petals in a circle for a flower. And let's do another one right here. Flower right here, and then let's finally add in the little spikes. You just need a few around the area. You don't want him too spiky, just enough to look like a cactus. And there you go, a cute cactus drawing. Let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.